Guys, it's Liz here. Thanks so much for joining me today. I am so excited to show you this project. This is my design team project for Tracie Fox. Love junk journals. I am on, my project was day 29, and I'm working with the Christmas Anthology kit. Mine is the Magic Toy Shop. And I will have everything linked in the video description below to everyone that collaborated with this gorgeous, gorgeous kit. There are 5 stories to this kit, and it's like 150 plus pages, my friends. There's so much to it. There's just so much to it. I will link Tracie's channel below with all the details and all the links. But what I decided to do is a quick project. As you guys know, I love my quick projects that I can send to friends. I decided, because we're past Christmas now, I'm filming this on December 27th. I really wanted to stick with the winter theme. So as you can see, there's so many pieces that you could use for your Christmas theme projects, but there's also a lot that you can use for winter without having it to be, you know, too Christmas themed if you wanted it. I love the feel of this quick folio, and the idea originally came from a lady by the name of Angie Bunner. She did something that people started calling tag books, and the way that they were attached is with twine on either side. I decided to make mine a little different. I'll show you what I did at the end. I have made similar projects to those tag books before, and I will link some of the videos that I have that shows you that type of project. But I will also let you know she does not have social media, so she doesn't really share how she's made any of the projects. People just receive them as gifts, and then they sort of get inspired and create their own version. I have also made several videos with a very similar project, which I will link below, but let me just quickly take you through what I've done, and hopefully you'll find some inspiration. I will link, as I mentioned, everyone that collaborated with this gorgeous Christmas anthology kit in the description box below, and check out their channels. There's just so many awesome new creators out there that I also got to see for the first time, and also have been inspired by as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. So on the cover, I decided to use a page from the freebie that also is included with this kit. There's a bunch of free pages that come with it as well. I cut out one of the tags, and I wanted it to look like the front door of a home. I did add some little embellishments and a little bit of vintage wallpaper. It's textured, and so I think it just gives me that kind of cozy winter feel. So you'll see on the top, you can see something peeking out. And so this actually is a tag from one of the other kits in her collection from the Christmas anthology. I like that the tags had snow, homes with snow on them, so I thought that went really well with what I wanted to do with this one. So as you can see, there's more gorgeous images. I decided to stick with the birds and the homes and the snow, as I mentioned. On this side, I did the same thing. This is one of those top tags, I guess, that hangs over a page. On the back, I fussy cut one of the snowmen in the kits. I used some of the pages as background, and I just added some stickers for the snow. And then on the inside, I made it a little pocket where you could add more of the gorgeous ephemera, you know, to write little notes or journal, etc. And then on the center here of this pocket, I've got this gorgeous trim. I used the file folder from the kit, just added more ephemera inside so you can just tuck in a little secret journaling. And then I had this cute little snowman tag, and I decided to use it because it is like a winter snowman theme. So that goes there. And then when you flip it over, you have a pocket here with another gorgeous piece. Here you've got a large pocket, again with a page from, this is from the journal page that I cut into a small piece to make a little journaling spot. And on the center, I've got this large, I made this large tag with one of the journal pages. I love this image. So of course I left it that you can put something inside the pocket. And then this gorgeous image again. It's like, it's the cozy feel that I wanted for this kind of winter themed little flip book. So I fussy cut one of the pieces out. I used a little bit of, I don't even know what this is, but I like the way it looked. And then again, I added a little bit of the wallpaper to give me that sort of more snowy feel. And as you can see, if you haven't guessed what I used to make it, I actually have used some envelopes. Let me just show you the back because there is more to this. The back, I decided to just leave it as a nice large pocket. Again, I made another journaling card with one of the journal pages from the kits, and that just tucks right in there. And as you can see, it turned out, I think it turned out so nice, and I am sure it will, oh, I'm putting this backward because I wanted the bow on the outside. I'm sure it's something that, you know, whoever receives it will hopefully enjoy and use it to add lots of different journaling and or inspiration. So let me just quickly show you how I put it together. Okay, so let me show you how I put these together. Now, I have a few videos on my channel that show you different ways I have made a very similar folio using envelopes. I will link those videos below. I'm also going to link a video where I have the actual tag book with the twine that attaches the pages, so you get an idea of what I'm talking about in case you haven't seen that project before. So I will link that below. I used 3 envelopes for this project, and I happen to have a blue one and a pink one, which I thought went really well with the kit. I also used just the regular white one that I had. And so what I did here is I took the largest envelope with the flap opening to the back, and then I took the other 2 with the flaps also opening to the inside because I wanted to have access to the pockets. However, to attach them, there are so many ways you could do this. You could attach the tabs, the actual flaps, I should say, to your larger envelope. So if I were to glue this down, then you'd have this and this attached to your largest envelope. What I did for this one, and if you can see here, I used the kit itself, so the pages from the kit, to attach the first envelope and make a pocket. If you can see the blue here, that's how I attached my first envelope with the blue paper to the largest envelope. And similarly, I did the same with the other envelope that's here. I attached it with the kit itself so that I could access the pockets differently. Okay, I hope that makes sense. But like I said, I have many other videos on my channel showing you this project, how I've attached the envelopes. But I thought I would just quickly show you, you know, how you can easily put that together this way as well. And you could, once you attached your envelopes, then make sure you leave your pockets open. So I would glue the flaps down so I could cut and have an access to the pockets in any which way I want. So what I did for the back one, of course, is I left the flap, I tucked it on the inside. So I decorated the flap and then I tucked it on the inside so I could have access to the pocket this way, as you can see. Oh, I love this paper. And what I did to this envelope here is the same thing. I left the flap that was tucked in so I can access the pocket on the side. And this way I have a pocket and the full front and back of the envelope that I can decorate. Hope that makes sense. I wasn't sure if you wanted to see me put the entire thing together. Like I said, I've done this similar project before, but I thought I would just show you with 3 envelopes. Any envelopes you have, you can make a nice little folio. And as I said, I wanted to make this one more of a winter kind of snowy theme than, you know, a Christmas theme, because for me, it's now just sort of enjoying winter and all the snow and everything that comes with that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video, my friends. Don't forget to check out the links of everyone that collaborated in the description box below. So many ideas, so many new YouTubers out there that I hadn't seen before that I'm excited to check out now. And don't forget to like, leave a comment, let me know what you thought of this project, if you wanted to see anything else, or if you have any questions. Thanks so much for stopping by.